G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Well, after uploading my latest vlog videos to YouTube on correcting the noise issue in the picture of my Iconoscope camera by filtering out the AC noise that was going to the 15 volt regulator from the unfiltered power supply that I have here, which is a bridge rectifier and a couple of capacitors. Well, it was filtered but not filtered very well. Anyway, yeah, my mate Richard Deal of Lab Guys World was concerned about the 40 volts that was going into the 15 volt regulator over here. The poor bugger was running heaps hot. But yeah, I thought it was a bit weird that I was getting 40 volts, and I mean the transformer here was outputting 30 volts AC, and after the DC rectifying and filtering, I was getting about 39 or 40 volts. And yeah, the poor 15 volt regulator was running steaming hot. So yeah, Richard suggested I put some resistors in series, about 40 ohms. Well, I couldn't make up 40 ohms with high wattage 40 ohms with what I have for high wattage resistors. So I've connected up a 15 ohm 20 watt resistor and four 47 ohm 5 watt resistors in parallel, and that makes up a total of roughly about 27 ohms. And yeah, the voltage is now down to 30.5 volts, which is which the 15 volt regulator should comfortably be able to work with, because its maximum voltage input is 35 volts, and I'm surprised it didn't blow up on 40 volts. Anyway, it's at 30 volts now input, which is alright for the 15 volt regulator, and the noise factor has gone down dramatically too, because now I've only got about 100 millivolts of noise, which doesn't exactly look like a sawtooth wave anymore like it was previously. So that's really good. Got the voltage down, and we've got less ripple in the DC voltage input to the 15 volt regulator, and that's certainly yeah, the picture looks good anyways without the ripple in it, but yeah, it would have improved it even more so. Now the snow noise in the picture we're seeing at the moment is simply because I've got the cover off the Iconoscope, and which actually further shields the noise from the tube, from the video circuits that preamp and amplify the signal. So yeah, that's the reason why we've got the snow noise. But apart from that, it's working quite well, and I'm quite pleased. Now my power unit's now a lot more bulkier, so I'm going to have to make some housing for it and mount it well insulated from the adjacent 1000 volt DC power supply. So yep, that's the next step to do. Anyway, that's pretty much about it. Stay tuned for the next video, which I should be concentrating on getting some horizontal and vertical positioning of the picture. I've already actually done some horizontal adjustments when I was experimenting with a horizontal DC offset circuit earlier on, which seemingly worked. So yep, I'll get back into that again, and of course also work on the vertical height as well, which I'll be adjusting the DC offset of the vertical circuits. And of course, as mentioned many times, I've got to get rid of that goddamn flyback lines. Anyway, those are the things to work on in the near future. Anyway, time to wrap things up. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.